Hey science lovers, it's Becky with Lab Rat Academy, and I'm in the Big Basin State Park in California. And as you can see, something devastating happened here in August of 2020, where a lightning storm struck the area nearby, and it caused the CZU Lightning Complex fire to start, and it touched this Big Basin area, engulfed it, and 97% of this state park was devoured. And that's more than 18,000 acres were touched by that fire. And as you can see in this tree right here, it is amazing how these redwood trees, they're some of the largest in the world, but they're still able to survive even though they have the inside of their trees burnt out. The outside of the tree is the living part that actually has something that is fire retardant and keeps the fires from damaging the tree. But if it can get inside, it burns out the dead wood on the inside, but it's able to keep the whole tree alive. And although a lot of these trees did survive the fire, some of them did not. And it opened up the canopy here to allow more light to come down into the ground level, which means that more of these sun-loving plants can thrive. Normally, we don't see all of this ground cover on the ground because there's not enough sunlight. So now there's a whole different habitat in this area because there's no more of those branches that cover the area. And you can see here at the base of the trees, because they are still alive, they're sending out these sprouts that will turn into trees to replace the ones that are dead or are dying. You can see this beautiful new regrowth on this redwood tree, and some of these new regrowths are, I don't know, twice as tall as I am, and they've grown this far in just 3 years. That is amazing. But it'll take many, many decades for this to restore itself back to its former glory. I've never seen so many thistles in this area before. They're definitely a sun-loving plant. Wow, isn't science so amazing? I hope you guys have a beautiful day. God bless. Bye-bye.